Best deals.
1. Chopper. This sturdy and durable chopper is what you require for your kitchen. Replace the blades with a mixing stick if you are done with chopping. It's great for mixing salad, making sauces, stirring eggs and cream. Chopper can be easily removed. The lid, blades and the storage bowl can be separated, so it will be cleaned easily. Although manual handheld chopper runs without electricity, the blades give it plenty of power. Cut what you want into small pieces and put it in. Speedy chopper is made of high quality material. Accessories include 1. Chopper, for chopping food items like tomatoes, onions, chilies etc. 2. Egg whisker and separator or whipping up smooth and fluffy batter for omelets. 3. Comes with 5 different types of slicers, slicing blade, wavy slicer, 3-way julienne slicer, shredder, and grater. 4. Juicer. The chopper comes with a holder that protects your hands from accidental injuries. The chopper also has blade box and chopping blade protector which make it the safest kitchen tool to use. The blades and the body of the chopper are made of high-quality BPA-free materials that enhance its durability. The chopper helps you save time and effort by letting you chop a large quantity of vegetables in a short period of time. It also protects your eyes and hands from irritation or burns that certain raw vegetables may cause. It is a mess-free solution for hassle-free cooking. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Espresso maker. Made from premium-grade aluminum for long-lasting durability. Provides a thorough and even heat distribution for enhanced flavor. Temperature-resistant handle allows for easy and safe pouring. The safety release valve controls water pressure and delivery for perfectly extracted espresso every time. Simply fill the lower chamber with water up to max level. Add ground coffee to the filter and place on stove top. Within minutes, delicious espresso coffee will fill your pot. Remove from the stove and enjoy. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Masala wet grinder. Patented 2-way grinding technology first time in India. That allows to grinds both clockwise and anti-clockwise just like our traditional stone grinder. Making traditional authentic taste with a blend of technology. Specially designed pyramid-shaped wiper helps to direct the ingredients to the grinding zone for uniform grinding of the batter. Retention of nutrients. Higher nutrient retention of up to 20% of carbohydrates and proteins compared to other methods of grinding. Improved bioavailability due to uniform and heat-proof grinding. Natural grooved black stone. Authentic grinding and cylindrically grooved stones for effective grinding in longer life. Advanced ventilation keeps batter cool and preserves the authentic taste. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Multi-cook kettle. Simplify your meal prep and save precious time with the ability to boil, cook, and steam using just one appliance, perfect for busy moms like you. With 600 watts of power, the electric kettle cum cooker heats up rapidly, allowing you to prepare delicious meals quickly and giving you more time to focus on other important tasks. The steaming function locks in nutrients in vegetables and other foods, ensuring you can provide your loved ones the healthiest and most nutritious meals possible. The stainless steel inner and removable trays make cleaning up a breeze, giving you more time to relax and enjoy quality moments with your family after a delicious meal. No need to buy additional accessories for various cooking tasks, as the included steamer for momos and vegetables and boiler trays for idli and eggs make this a convenient and cost-effective solution for busy moms like you. Boil water, prepare instant meals, or use the included egg tray to boil up to 7 eggs simultaneously for quick and convenient cooking. Durable stainless steel build, food grade 304 stainless steel body with matte finish, detachable glass lid, wide mouth design, and concealed heating element for easy cleaning and long-lasting use. Equipped with auto cutoff, dry boil protection, overheat safety, double protection controller, and high-quality thermostat for safe and reliable performance. Features a temperature control knob, light indicator, 360 degrees rotating detachable base, volume markings, 1.2 meters cord with cord winder, and copper wire conductor for efficient functionality. Detachable base and wide mouth design make it effortless to clean. suitable for cooking, boiling, and warming a variety of foods and beverages. Versatile and convenient for preparing multiple dishes. The sleek and compact design of our multi-cook kettle not only saves valuable counter space but also adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. It's a stylish addition that complements any kitchen decor. Glass lid, they allow you to see the food as it cooks without lifting the lid, helps reduce mess and is energy efficient and looks more modern and stylish, enhancing the overall appearance of your kitchenware. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Fan Cleaner Duster. Kit equipped with unique cleaning head, designed to clean ceiling fan without using ladder, walls, baseboards, moldings, windows, blinds, tile, floor. Use a chenille, grey-colored, mop to clean fan balde. Up to 62.5 inches, 159 centimeters long, 8 inches wide fits most indoor ceiling fan balde. No more ladders or chair to clean your ceiling fan. Also for those hard to reach spider webs in the corner ceiling areas. Refills are available at our store. Use a microfiber mop, orange colored, to remove stains without harming surfaces. Excellent for cleaning washable wallpaper, baseboards, woodwork, doors, wall coverings, and baseboards. Use a microfiber, orange colored, mop to keep your floors dust-free and spotless. Or clean windows before dusting them. Use on any flat surface as possible, similar to windows, vinyl, laminate, hardwood, and tile floors. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Chopper. All-in-one mini food processor can help in atta mixer, vegetable chopping, salad cutter and extracting juice. Makes your kitchen work easy and fun. It comes with multiple detachable sharp stainless steel chopping blades for multi-purpose use. The strong and unbreakable atta kneading blade is used to make dough in a minute. This food processor has 2-speed setting for maximum control, and for best results, use the low speed setting, speed 1, to whip cream, beat eggs, create pastries and bread dough. Unbreakable food processing bowl made up of transparent polycarbonate material with 800 ml capacity. This food processor includes one kneader blade for atta kneader, one food processor 800 ml bowl, one citrus juicer attachment, one slicer blade for slicing veggies, one chopper blade and one shredder blade. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Oil Maker Machine. Experience unmatched oil extraction efficiency with our Vishwas Oil Maker machine. Using advanced cold press technology, it maximizes oil extraction from a wide range of seeds and nuts, ensuring minimal waste and maximum output. Enjoy a streamlined oil making process that delivers superior quality every time. Perfect for home use, it's a must-have for those seeking fresh, pure oil with minimal effort. Crafted with precision, our Oil Maker machine guarantees consistent, high-quality oil output every time. Featuring a powerful 600W motor and robust, food-grade stainless steel construction, it ensures long-lasting durability and reliability. The carefully calibrated components work in harmony, providing a smooth and efficient oil extraction process, whether you're pressing sesame, peanuts, or other seeds. Expect optimal performance and quality with every use. Product link is given in the seventh link.